Casein is the most abundant protein found in milk. Micellar casein is a casein in its purest form. Micellar casein has a unique ability to form a gel in the stomach, substantially slowing absorption and making it a sustained supplier of nutrients. Micellar casein is isolated using microfiltration and as a result is undernatured and retains its native structural properties. Casein is noted for its anti-catabolic properties and slow-release amino acids in circulation. Micellar casein is the #1 pre-bedtime protein supplement. Drinking just 30 grams of micellar casein has shown scientifically to promote a 7-hour sustained plateau in blood amino acids, leading to the highest muscle nitrogen retention and utilization in its class. In one study, the slow and sustained absorption of this protein was shown to reduce catabolism by 34% for 7 hours after ingestion.